Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package for our customers. 1965 Cobra Replica RUCC. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We got the 302 Ford roller cam engine, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshafts. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Oil pressure extension installed. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. Inline gas filter set up. Brass freeze plugs. Engines painted the black. We got the proper oil pan. Rear sump pan for the Cobra. Oil stick and tube installed. Breather. MSD ignition coil. Small cap distributor set in place. Cobra air cleaner, Holley sniper fuel injection system installed, all set up, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. The entire Holley sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely dialed in, all set up. Every engine is live run at the engine factory. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum readings, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing set, completely dialed in, ready to go. We have the Ford Racing bell housing on there, proper bell housing for the customer's TKX transmission. Clutch is installed, aligned, all set up. Clutch fork, throwout bearing, all installed. Transmission bolts supplied. High torque mini starter. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers on there. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell. Again, all the fuel lines ran right up to the Sniper EFI. Customer's running 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right here, the stud. One wire hookup, heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belt. 45 degree thermostat housing, thermostats installed. So this way you get it when you buy from us. Everything is on it, ready to go. Complete turnkey, custom built for your vehicle. So thanks for watching.